Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the swing high, swing low. Okay, this is the main part of trading. Just listen the carefully. This is the golden rules for trading. Trading is not a certainty; it's a probability. This two word is just fix your mind because trading is not a certainty; it's a probability. Okay, there is a big difference for two letters, two words. Probability is here 97%, certainty is here 100%. This is just for the example. Okay, we will discussing in each and every video. Come, then this is the language for a English version. We have done for the two languages videos. Okay, coming to the topic. Swing high. Swing high is a peak price. Okay, peak price means like water tank high. The water tank is 500 liter. Just top of the 500 liter is a peak price. Peak price means it's a high price. Okay, this is the EZ. Okay, this is the peak price. Swing high is need to identify with minimum 5 candles for suited time frame. Okay, you can just use for the 5 minutes time frame in intraday. The 5 minutes time frame, this is the 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, 9:35. Okay, the 5 candles is compulsory is identify the swing high. Swing high, use your stop loss for your sell order. Okay, just you can sell here, your stop loss is above the swing high. It's a very useful for a and protect your stop loss. Swing high is used for a drawing patterns. Okay, the many patterns are available in trading. First of all, you know the swing high, swing low, then only you can mark up the trend line, then you can draw the patterns. Okay, peak price have two soldiers in right and left side. This candle is a peak high, then left side is two soldiers, right side is a two soldiers. Peak price have two lower low in both side. Okay, this is the high, this price is low compare with this candle, right? Then second low, right side also 1 second. Okay, two low is a right side and two low is a left side. Are you understand? Just I can given for the example. Okay, next slide. Okay, valid swing high. Okay, swing high is a peak price X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, right? If forms this type of candle, you can just mark this is the swing high. Then valid. Okay, this one is and this one is a same. Another one is a swing high. The lower for the swing high candle. This candle also lower from swing high. Okay, just mention is the swing high have two soldiers in right and left side. Okay, left side is two lower low, right side is a two lower low, but this price is lower from this candle only. This candle is not differ. Okay, main thing is a swing high only for the right side lower low, left side lower low for a two candles. This two candles is not differ from the lower low or higher high. Okay, just we have only one candle for a swing high, left side two soldiers, right side two soldiers. Same thing here, this two candle is same price for a high, this side is also same, but this candle only for a high. So this is marked the swing high candle. This is the invalid swing high. Here is the XY, here is a Z candle, but here only one candle for a available, then another one candle is not. So the left side one shoulder is missing. So you can, this is the invalid swing high, right? Same, this is the invalid swing high because left side is only one soldier, right side have two soldier. This is the left side two soldier, but right side is one is missing. This is not the valid swing high, right? Okay, this is the swing high. Then next one is a swing low. Swing low is a trough price. Trough price means like water tank low. Okay, this type. This is the Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, right? Stop loss is need to identify with minimum 5 candles for suited time frame. Same thing for a swing high, it's a reverse pattern, right? Stop loss is used for stop loss for your buy order. You can buy here, just stop loss is here, okay? Stop loss is used for a drawing patterns. This is also for the lower trend line, for drawing the patterns. Trough price have two soldiers on right and left side. This candle also left side and right side is two soldiers. Trough price have two higher high in both side, right? This is the lower low, the higher price, then another one higher price. This one also higher, this one also higher for a this candle, right? This is the main candle. It have been a two right side, two left side candle is only for a swing low, right? Coming to the next example for a valid swing low. XYZ, XYZ, right? The same pattern is here. Then another one is two prices difference, but the swing low is a head, okay? Same another one pattern. The invalid swing low. Invalid swing low is called, here is a Z, this is the low, okay? X candle is missing. Right side one soldier is missing, right? Then left side for a XY is available. So this is not a valid swing low. This one pattern. This is the lower low is a same price for the 4 candle. So this is not a valid swing low. This is the low. For right side is two soldiers, left side is only one soldier, right? So this is the invalid. Here also this is the invalid, right? This is the basic thing for a swing low and swing high. This is only for a form in a any resistance and any support is a working is well, right? Not to be working in a sideways or a range bound market. Okay, this video is very helpful to you. I hope that. Okay guys, thank you to all.